Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean microfiber cloth for dusting. You'll want to work in a well-lit area to see all the screws clearly. First, unplug the vacuum cleaner from any power source. Safety is paramount. Now, locate the screws on the handle of your Dyson SV10. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws carefully. There should be 2 screws at the back of the handle. Keep these screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle away from the body of the vacuum. Be cautious not to force it, as there might be clips holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you might have missed. Now, let's move on to the battery compartment. You'll notice another set of screws securing the battery. Use your Phillips screwdriver again to remove these screws. With the screws out, you can now lift the battery out of its compartment. If you find it stuck, a gentle wiggle should help. Before inserting the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery compartment with the microfiber cloth. Dust and debris can interfere with the battery connection. Remember, keeping your vacuum clean will enhance its performance. Now, take your new replacement battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Push it in firmly until it clicks into place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tightened appropriately to avoid any rattling during use. Next, reattach the handle. Align it properly with the body of the vacuum and gently push it back into place. Once it's seated correctly, replace the screws at the back of the handle. Tighten them carefully, ensuring not to over-tighten, which may strip the screws. With the handle back in place, it's time to test your vacuum. Plug it in and turn it on. If it powers up smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery on your Dyson SV10. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to handle it yourself, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, meaning you won't need to make any calls or travel. You'll receive a quote before any repair work begins, ensuring transparency in our services. Finally, take a moment to dispose of the old battery responsibly. Most local recycling centers accept batteries, so check your local guidelines. By following these steps, you can extend the life of your Dyson SV10 and keep your home clean and fresh. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.